Back up, Beckett. Back up. Back up. Let him see how you stand. Ready? Whoopsie. Come on. Try to stand. There you go. Whoops. Now we're going to watch Rafaela riding her bike by herself. See that? Whoops. Well, there we ran into the gate. She doesn't usually run into the gate, though. But this is only her 4th time without training wheels. All thanks to Mark Levine. She was going up and down the road yesterday with no help whatsoever. But now she knows the camera's on, so she stopped riding. Well, at least you get a nice picture with a smile. There you go.